In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Netflix subscription. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's really simple, so go ahead and do this. Now, you could go ahead and do this on literally anything, whether it's iPhone, Android, or even if you're using a PC. So if you go ahead and open up the Netflix application, of course, if you're signed in, you could go over to your settings. So if I just go right now to my account, and then on the bottom right, I'm going to see my Netflix. But from here, I'm not actually going to be able to see exactly how to change anything with my subscription. So what I'm going to have to go ahead and do instead is open up my browser of choice. So I'm going to be opening up Google Chrome. And from here, all I want to do is type in Netflix, sign in like so, and then open up the Netflix login page. And then it's just going to redirect you. And then all you got to do is sign into your account. Once you sign in, it's going to look something like this, saying like, you know, that Netflix is better with the app. But what you want to do is press manage account, which is under the app section. And then it's going to show that I'm a member since then. And then I can press view all settings to see more account options. And then from here, I just want to go to manage membership. Then I can just press change plan like so. And then basically I'll be able to change it to anything I want. And yeah, it's as simple as that.